Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Rheumatic Institute, and today I want to talk about 7 ways you can use Cypress. This is a special video for one of our viewers who asked, hey, where's the uses? Well, here's the video that I made just for you. The first use that you might want to think about using it for is for your circulation. Now, this particular essential oil helps to boost circulation. Basically, use about 3 to 5 drops in a warm compress and put it over muscles or areas of concern. Okay, so number 2 is hemorrhoid soother. So if you suffer from hemorrhoids, you can use Cypress essential oils. So this is a blend that you would make using it. You can use 3 to 4 drops of essential oil, maybe put it on a pad or something with a carrier and apply it to the area that you need relief from. Okay. Number 3, Restless Leg Syndrome. Those who suffer from restless legs can use this oil topically, make a blend with it, of course, with the carrier to help reduce that sensation and discomfort associated with restless leg syndrome. Okay, so you're going to use this to help stimulate that blood circulation and also use it topically over those areas that you need it. Number 4, you want to use it for sprains or for aches and pains, or maybe just for a muscle strain. So in this case, one of the benefits of Cypress is the antispasmodic properties. And because Cypress essential oil has antispasmodic qualities, this is a reason why this oil is great for muscle strains. And you're going to want to just apply it topically over that area of concern using your favorite carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba or almond oil. Now, I already mentioned fluid retention, but this is really a great reason why you want to have Cypress in your house, because this oil is great because it works like a diuretic. And so this is a great way to get that blood circulating, get everything flushed out and do that cleanse for you. So you want to use this one to help increase sweat, perspiration. Of course, don't just sit around all day. Get up and move and help that body get that lymphatic system going, and use the oils over your body, rub them in and just move about. And this is going to help you to get all those things moving in your body. Another wonderful benefit of Cypress, because it is a tree and it has lots of limbs, doesn't it look like something you have in your body? Yes, your lungs. The Cypress oil is great for helping with the respiratory health of your body. It helps to move things again, helps to alleviate maybe that mucus that gets caught up in your lungs. Well, in this case, you want to use your Cypress essential oil, maybe 4 to 5 drops. You can use it in a bath. You can use it topically, diluting it, of course, and apply it over the area that is bothering you, maybe in your chest, like a soothing vapor rub or something. And my last recommendation is for the men. This is for healthy support of the prostate. And so this is something that would be used in a massage blend. This is something that you could actually rub over the area of concern again and help support your body in those ways. So there you go. There's your 7 Cypress uses, and I hope this helps. Be sure and subscribe and like our video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.